Let's go ahead and install iOS 27 beta. To do this, just go to the settings, scroll down till you see general, tap on that, tap on software update. Here we see an update for iOS 26. We don't want that. We want to go to beta updates, which are currently turned off. And then we want to choose iOS 27 developer beta. Takes a second for this to activate. It took about 10 seconds actually. And now we see right here, iOS 27 beta 4. You can update now, install it, and you're running iOS 27. Keep in mind that when software is in beta, it means there could still be bugs. That's the reason they have beta. So they have a lot of people test it, email the developers with bugs so they can patch those bugs. So when they release the full version, it's as functional as possible. Good news is you can always go back to the current version. Just go back into the beta updates and just turn this off again. Then we go back out here and we see we're back to iOS 26.6, which you can then update to just by clicking that button right there or tapping that button. If you want to help support the channel, I've got some channel memberships. Tap the join button down below to see what the perks are. I appreciate you checking those out. And if you want to have as much storage as possible on your phone, because these updates are pretty big, this video right here is going to help you find more storage on your phone without deleting any of the important stuff. So make sure you check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.